Sneha.
I'm Shubho. Work with Hayat and she's in bar addition.
I'm working with Bar Addition, and today we are here to represent Morning Cup 2024. And today we are making cocktails, mocktails. The tagline is "Low is more." So we are making mocktails also, cocktails also.
And we are here to present our self as a participant. So let's hope for the best for the next round.
My name is Purpat Darshi. I'm from Arunachal Pradesh. I'm representing Mahiko.
So, how's the association with Morning?
It was like a wonderful experience I had today. So we just had like first round. Now we are waiting for the second round. It was a wonderful experience. Thank you for the Monin for such a wonderful opportunity for such a like young bartender for us. Thanks so much.
The rules and regulations are the contestant should be 27 years old or lesser than that. And the second one is basically, if you look at this year, we have come up with this theme called Low is More. So Low is More is something that basically which is growing across the world. So there is this trend called No/Low ABV, which is trending across the world. So we picked up theme, and the maximum ABV in each drink should not be more than 8%. So before dilution. So this is basically the rules and regulations of the competition, and people from any sort of background, whether it might be hospitality, whether a person working in bar or people who are sort of studying in hospitality schools also sort of can compete in the competition.
Actually, we work in outlet, in hotel, lots of time. We don't so much of time to celebrate ourselves and in showcase our skills in outside platform. In always we work in behind the bar in outlet. Thank you, Monin, for giving me this platform to showcase ourselves in all of us, in front of all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Morning, for giving us this opportunity as a bartender, showcasing our skills, our talent, our creation. So yeah, thank you so much, Morning, once again.
My name is Kelly. It's time for you to smile. The next participant is Sneha. Guys, all the S's are done. My next name is. Oh, he's right there showing me the next alphabet. Okay. The next name is. Congratulations, Arnav. Okay. The next participant. Where is the smiley boy here? Okay. Guys, to all the other participants, what do you think who's the last person going to use the last name? 9.
S.
S is done, sir. S ho gaya. Okay. Last but not the least.
A, B, C, D.
Yes, you get it right. It's M. It is Mithu Mona. So congratulations. Can we give the participants a round through a big round of applause, please?
ये मॉर्निंग कप है, बेसिकली फ्लैगशिप कंपटीशन है हमारा, ये ग्लोबली होता है। सो इसका मेन उद्देश्य है, देखिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि अगर आप ऐसे कॉम्पिटिशन्स, बारटेंडिंग कॉम्पिटिशन्स और भी देखेंगे, उसमें कोई एज लिमिट नहीं होती। तो जनरली क्या होता है, जितने एक्सपीरियंस बारटेंडर्स होते हैं जनरली वही वो कप्स जीत के जाते हैं। सो हमने यहाँ पे एज लिमिट रखी हुई है 27 ईयर्स की, जिसमें यंग बारटेंडर्स आएंगे, वो अपना बेसिकली करके दिखाएंगे क्या रेसिपीज है, क्या है। सो नए बारटेंडर्स को हम आगे बढ़ाना चाहते हैं। सो ये ईस्ट राउंड है इंडिया, ये हमने इस साल का मॉर्निंग का ईस्ट से चालू किया, उसके बाद नॉर्थ, फिर साउथ, फिर वेस्ट, और फाइनल्स हैदराबाद में होंगे। और फिर जो इंडिया विनर होगा वो इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा पेरिस में।
सर, इस तरह के जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज लोगों को, जो नए जनरेशन है आना चाहते हैं स्किल में, कहीं दूसरी तरफ देखते हैं, उनके क्या मैसेज है वो क्या?
देखिए हम बिल्कुल यही हमें भी पता था कि जनरली जो लोग आए होटल मैनेजमेंट कोर्सेज करते हैं, जनरली उनका यही रहता है कि होटल्स में ही जॉब लगी। तो हम लोग मास्टर क्लासेस भी करते हैं, जितने बड़े IHMs होटल मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं, बारटेंडिंग कॉलेजेस हैं, जहाँ पे हम लोग उनको ये बताते हैं कि खाली होटल्स में ही जाना एक जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है। आप हमारी टीम में भी 70% लोग होटल मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट हैं, बट वो सेल्स में हैं। उसके अलावा R&D है, QA में जा सकते हैं। तो एक बहुत बड़ा स्कोप है अपार्ट फ्रॉम गोइंग इनटू रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड होटल्स। तो ये भी हम लोग जनरली बच्चों को बताते हैं, फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट्स को।
First, it's the flavor, and second of it, to balance my drink, because I don't want my guests to complain about sourness or sweetness, because it's very common. People don't like sweet in their drink, basically cocktails and mocktails. So yeah, balancing the flavor, and Monin is very helpful for us because Monin has a proper flavor balance. They don't use normal sugar; they use cane sugar. So yeah, Monin is doing a great job, and thank you so much, Monin, for giving us this opportunity to make something new with their flavors.
So my experience was the first time with the Monin 2024. Though I have used this syrup a lot of time in my bar, but working with this lot, like people who are supposed to promote Monin and like contributing my style of cocktail and mocktail, it's different far from my experience. Though I have created a non-alcoholic mocktail which is versatile for every group, from like children, female, men, everybody can consume, and more on the healthier side. So after gym, after your hectic day, you can have it a sip of, and that will refresh your mind. So basically my drink is Jinku and is a versatile drink, so you can have it anytime. Thank you.
This year we have got a huge number of registrations for this competition. So we have got 2000 plus registrations across Pan India. So if you look at right now, we have done this in 2022 and we are doing it in 2024 again. So we could see the talent pool is sort of increasing in the hospitality industry across the world, and it's very surprising for me to sort of see how the Kolkata contestants are performing. Because if you compare it with 2022, the scale have gone up when it has been compared with 2022. So we could see that the talent pool has been increasing a lot, and there are more people who are sort of interested to compete in these sort of competitions, because it will enhance their knowledge, because people from across different parts of the city will come down to compete for the competition.
Very well. Yes, you are happy, you're satisfied. You think you've given your best? Guys, what do you think? How has Kashi done? अच्छा किया है कि नहीं? Good, can
So if you look at right now, the taste palette in India, it is very different. So it depends on the region, it depends on the city, it depends on the place. Because if you look at in India, every 100 kilometers you have a different taste profile, you have a different personality, you have a different innovation. So if we could see that from the contestants, where they are coming up with new innovative drinks across different channels, and we could anticipate it from the flavors that we have. So that is the reason at Monin India also, basically we keep the innovation at the center, and we innovate lot of flavors based on the specific requirements for each region across different parts of India. So if you look at Monin India, so we have this flavor called Spice Jamun, which we launched it last year, and we have been receiving overwhelming response for this Spice Jamun. It is typically sort of Kalakata. If you look at the hospitality industry right now, so there is a huge scarcity of the bartenders, or maybe the roles in bartending industry, or maybe in the hospitality industry. So people were looking for right talent, basically who can sort of innovate, who are very technically sound from their expertise. So there is a lot of scope to improve in the Indian bartending industry, and people can sort of have very good opportunities in India and across different parts of the world if you are really talented and if you are really innovative.